So if you're out there and you're wondering, maybe you've not used any CeraVe product and you're wondering, oh, which CeraVe product is good for me? Oh, I have a dry skin, I have an oily skin, I have a this skin and all of that. If you're wondering, this video will make it easy for you to know the particular CeraVe product to use. I've made it easy for you. Hi guys, how are you all doing today? You're all welcome back to my space. This is Jennifer Chris, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to use CeraVe products to achieve desired results. Okay, so I'm going to be speaking with you from the point of view of the products that I have used. Okay, I'm not going to be telling you about any products that I have not used. No. I'm going to be telling you about products that I've used that are good for me and that could also be good for you. So let's go right into today's video because I don't want this video to be too long. All right, so the first one on my list is this one. This is a facial cleanser. This is the foaming cleanser, okay, for normal skin or for oily skin. That's what I wrote here. For normal to oily skin. It's fragrance free, okay, and it comes in a gel-like substance. It's like gel. It's packed with 3 essential ceramides, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, so it's suitable for normal skin and oily skin. So that is just, you know, the range in which I fall. I have normal to oily skin. Sometimes my skin can be oily and dry as well. So yeah, this one is just, you know, it foams. Once you apply it on your hands and add a little water to your face or your hands, it will foam. It doesn't have any smell, like the wrote here, is fragrance free. You know that CeraVe products are simple and mild to the skin. Okay, so when you're using the CeraVe product, you don't expect to see swift results or fast action. No, they are not. They are very simple and mild. First thing first is to use this one. Okay, use this facial wash. I've used it. See, it's empty. I've used it and it's now nice. It will just keep your skin, it will just retain moisture on your skin, retain your complexion. It does not go any extra mile. It doesn't do any extra thing. Mind you, this is not a review. I'm just telling you how to use CeraVe products in this order. Okay, the second one on my list is this body cream. Okay, this is a value size body cream. It's a daily moisturizing body lotion. This one is for normal to dry skin, which I have dry skin. So this one will help you moisturize. So according to what I wrote here, they said it moisturizes and help restore the protective barrier of your skin. Okay, so this is not about bleaching or lightening or brightening. This cream will not lighten you. It will not brighten you. It will not anything lighten or brighten or bleaching, nothing. It will just maintain your complexion. All it does is a moisturizing body lotion. That's just it, and it's very mild. It is not oily, it is not greasy, but I don't like the fact that it's not oily though, because I have a dry skin. I also need oil to lock in moisture, but it's still a very good cream. Okay, it's still a very good body cream. So according to what they wrote here, they said it has 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid. It is lightweight. So for this body lotion, you want to moisturize your skin, you want it to look supple. This is the CeraVe product to go for. Okay, now the third one on my list is this SA lotion for rough and bumpy skin. Okay, so this one is for exfoliation. So it's written here that it will exfoliate and moisturize your skin while helping it to restore the protective barrier of your skin. So this one is made with 3 essential ceramides, salicylic acid and vitamin D. So the major component or the major active in this cream is the salicylic acid. That's why it is the SA lotion. Salicylic acid is known to, you know, not for exfoliation. All right, so it will definitely exfoliate your skin. This one I use at night. I've not used it up to half. It's still there because see, this one is a value size. This one is still remaining. This one is a value size. This one is also a value size. Then this one is a small size. I use this one only at night. Okay, for people that have this rough and bumpy skin, you should use this one. It will not brighten your skin, it will not lighten your skin, it will just exfoliate your skin. You see those bumps, you see those it will work on it. But mind you, Cerave products, according to, you know, like I've used quite a number of them, they are not harsh, they are simple, and they are not fast action. But if you're using them, you know that you're using a very good lotion, a very good product as well. I'm not marketing for them, it's just something that I've used. Okay, now in my next video I'm going to come up with detailed review about each of these products. This one, not my favorite actually. It's good, okay, but not my favorite. So I'm going to come up with detailed review about all of these products. But for now, if you're wondering what to use, you already know. Normal skin, this one is for normal skin and for dry skin. Okay, this one is for rough and bumpy skin, while this one is for oily skin. All right, the next product I would like to buy is their eye cream, the one that contains retinol, and which other one, I just know that I've seen a lot of reviews on their eye cream, and I know that it's a very good cream, so I'm going to buy it very soon. But for now, I'm still making do with these ones. They are not finished yet. Once I finish them, I'm going to come up with a detailed review about it. I hope you have liked one or two, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video. I remain your humble host, Jennifer Chris, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye. And also do let me know which other products you would want me to talk about. Okay, if you are having doubts about any other products, put it in the comment section. Let me know which product you would like me to talk about. Okay.